Hello guys, welcome back. So now in this video we are going to learn about the scatter plot. Okay, so scatter plot is also a kind of a chart, and so let's do it. Okay, you're gonna see what's the scatter plot by doing the example. Okay, let's import the package, and so for this we're gonna use the iris dataset. Okay, iris data set. Okay, so it is provided natively by R. Okay, so if you do this head iris, we can see the type of the data we have seen. So basically we're gonna do scatter plot. So you're gonna plot the values sepal length versus the sepal width. Okay, let's do. We're gonna do ggplot, and we're gonna use the iris data, and we're gonna define the static value. So x is the sepal length and y equal to sepal width. Okay, we're gonna do is the geom point. So it's gonna define the or create the scatter plot. Okay, let's see. Okay, here is some mistake in this field. Okay, there is also another spelling mistake. Okay, W should be capital. Okay, you can see. So this is scatter plot. So scatter plot is basically a plot where the values of two is shown in the scatter. So you can see in this point, if the sepal length is 5, then the sepal width is 2, like this way, these values are shown here. Okay, so scattering of the points is basically a scatter plot. Okay, this was about the scatter plot. Okay, we'll be meeting on the next video. Till then, have a good time.